So the big question is, how do women like us, who are wearing so many different hats each day, and who don't cheat by looking like we have everything under control, take back our homes and life, free from the chains of clutter? How do we simplify, get started, get unstuck, let things go and create more time, so that we can truly focus on what is essential for a happy and healthy life with our loved ones? That is the question, and this show will give you the answers. My name is Lizelle Tenton, and welcome to the Vanilla Essence Show.
Hi, I'm Liz, and I will be your host for this show. Welcome back. Now, there are things you can do now already to make sure that you are more relaxed this holiday season. Doesn't that sound just great? Getting a bit organized ahead of time can make all the difference to this Christmas. And you will thank yourself later, believe me. Now, if the holiday season has in the past only caused you stress and anxiety, why not simplify things? And part of simplifying is decluttering. There are 5 areas you can declutter before Christmas that will make a huge difference to your home. Number 1, decor. Before you bring out the Christmas decorations, first declutter the decor you now have in your home. Your home does not have to look like an overloaded Christmas tree this season. If you have too many things hanging on your walls, or there is stuff up there that you don't even really like, now is the time to take it off. By doing this, you will be creating clean canvases for your Christmas decorations to be appreciated to its full. And are all your flat surfaces filled with stuff? Throw out and pack away as much as you can. Clean surfaces can have a very calming effect on us and create a much more inviting environment. And then when you are done, you declutter the Christmas decorations before you put them out. Let go of broken items, things you don't really like or does not fit your style anymore, or that you haven't used in years. The point is that the fewer items you have against your walls and on the flat surfaces, the more you will be able to appreciate the Christmas decor for what it is. And it will make the cleaning up afterwards so much easier. Next up is the kids' toys. The kids can help with this one depending on how old they are. Before the holidays are a great time to declutter toys, and then at the same time to create space for all the new ones that they will be getting this Christmas. And third is the kitchen. Whether you are hosting this holiday season or not, one of the best things to declutter before Christmas is your kitchen, especially the counters and the cabinets. I mean, you will enjoy cooking all that food and making all those treats so much more in a sorted and decluttered kitchen. So let go of items you don't use, you don't love, or you don't need. Pack stuff away and create more open spaces to work on. Fourth is your linens. If you're expecting guests for Christmas, then decluttering your linens is a great thing to do before then. This includes table linen, bath towels, and bedding. Let go of anything that is torn, faded, or badly stained, and also let go of linens you don't particularly like and never use. Having only the items that you love and use makes it so much easier to find things, as well as motivates you to actually use what you have. And last, prepare your porch and entryway. It is the first thing you see when you get home. And when those areas are filled with clutter, coming home doesn't feel very welcoming. Matter of fact, you're just reminded of all the work that still needs to be done. Your porch should also feel welcoming to your guests when they come to visit this holiday season. And to finish it all off, put a beautiful wreath on your front door. Now, may these tips and advice help you all to have a merry and blessed Christmas with your loved ones.